session of this concept is encore, toujours or ne plus. So we have already learnt what toujours means. Toujours means always. Encore means still or again. Ne plus, you know the meaning of that as well. Now we will see how this is used in a sentence. Now, il est 19h. Aujourd'hui, Pierre travaille encore. So, here we use the word encore. So, in the previous sentence, we see that he finishes his work at 18 hours. Here, il est 19 hours. Today, aujourd'hui, Pierre travaille encore. He is still working. Il est, he is toujours au bureau. Toujours, always. Il est toujours au bureau. Ses collègues, his colleagues, ne sont plus au bureau. Now, here we used ne and plus. Ne sont pas means not in the, they are not in the office. Ne sont plus means never. They are ne sont plus au bureau. Now, you know how to use these words. Encore, toujours, ne plus. Now, one more point is le prefix re, re. So, when there is a prefix re, it signifies recommencer. So, to restart. Il reprend le travail. Now, you know prendre, right? If you add re as the prefix, it means the action takes place again. Il reprend le travail. Another example is Pierre revient. So, you know the word vient. Vient is to come. Revient. So, to come back. Pierre revient chez nous. Pierre revient chez nous. So, these are some things to remember. Some words we need to remember when we have to describe a series of events right from the start through its continuation till the finish. So when we need to explain or describe a series of actions, these are some points that will help you.